We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can redeem Apple Music code. So to start, you will need to tap at your PFP or avatar, thus opening the account properties. Here, among the options that are highlighted in red, find the redeem gift card or code, tap on it. Now, depending on what medium your code is on, should it be the physical card, you can use the camera and scan it automatically. Or if you just have the code itself in its text format rather, you can go with the enter code manually option and enter your code manually here. So input the code of yours. Then if you did everything right, tap redeem and the code will be redeemed and you'll get whatever benefits the gift card had. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.